Okay, hello. How's it going, everyone? Good to see you here. So, all right, let me start. Today is the 8th of December on Friday. And this is a live stream, not the recording video. So today I will be checking some charts and especially Forex pairs today and see what's happening among the markets. And there was non-farm payrolls today, so I will review the result, impact on the markets as well. And we have a Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index coming up in 1 hour, so we'll check on that one too. But yeah, how are you, everyone? Good to see you. All right, so let me say hi to everyone and start slowly today here. Let me see. Let me pop up the chat. All right, Edward, good to see you. Thanks for joining. And Saman, good to see you too. Thank you very much for joining. And Y, good to see you. And Photo, thank you for joining. Suniel, good to see you. Hakan, thank you for joining. From Turkey, good to see you too. All right. Looks like we had some big trends yesterday on JPY pairs. JPY pairs were going down, so I hope you're able to capture some nice pips yesterday. All right. Vic, good to see you. And Gan, thanks for joining as well. Great to see you here. Okay. So yeah, let's see. Today's Friday. So usually Friday at this time I don't trade because the markets may be quiet and I may not be able to set break-even line before the weekend, which I usually want to. So probably no trades today, but let's see. If I can find some opportunities, then I may enter trade. So let's see. Okay, hello Cole, good to see you. Thanks for joining for the live stream first time. Welcome here. Thank you very much. Okay, Y says, could you show example when the market is near resistance? Yesterday, I showed the day before, I showed the market near the support level. I was running the Forex Tester, so you can review the video recording and see how I took the trade. Okay, but if I see more examples, then I will check them again. Hello, Marbozo, good to see you. Looking healthy. Yeah, finally, right? This year, I have been getting so many infections, like 3-4 times a guess. And it was really tough year, yeah, in terms of health. But yeah, every time I overcome, I feel stronger. So today, now, I'm totally fine. And I really think that the health is the most important in life. If I'm not healthy, if I'm having a fever or flu, then I don't trade because I can't think sharp and I lose focus. So when I'm not in a good condition, then I do not enter trades. Although I see charts, I analyze charts, I see charts. But even if I see entry opportunities, I don't when I'm flu. So yeah, health is the most important to everyone. Okay. Tare Joanna, good to see you. Thanks for joining. Sunil, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, let me check these. All right. So first, today I will cover the Forex pairs. Let me switch screen now. I cover Forex pairs and then I cover the Nifty and some other markets as well. All right, Michael, good to see you. Thanks for joining. All right, Gail, good to see you too. Thank you very much for joining as well. Right, Christopher, USJPY fell 400 pips. Right, yesterday alone, it was really big. It was so big. And EuroJPY was going down too. And I've seen lots of my students have been making some nice profits yesterday. So I hope you also get some nice profits. All right. Yeah, whenever a trend happens, that's when you enter trade. Because I'm a trend follower, so whenever there's a trend, I follow, I take entries and follow. And when there's no trends, if the market's all range, then I do not enter trades. So it's pretty simple, but patience will be the key to success if you want to do that. Before I start the trading, I thought I should trade every day. I should trade every hour. But it wasn't true. You know, less is more is also true in trading. So the less you enter trades, the more you make profits. And I'm that kind of style. I don't rush myself to enter trades, and I don't stick to charts all day. Simply I check charts 3 to 5 times per day, and if there are opportunities, I take them, but if there's none, then I stay away. Or if I have meetings, events, if I go out, then I never check charts. So it's like really free and really less stress, less stress routine that I created, and I'm happy in this way. If I have to enter trades every hour, then I won't be able to, do live stream like this. I won't be able to create videos, and I won't be able to share the knowledge and wisdom through the markets. All right. Hello, Azemi. Good to see you from Malaysia. Thanks for joining. Okay, Navanese says, hello, Kay. I believe German 40 may be tradable, still looking for mid-time frame confirmation and entry edge. No other market is trending in Forex. Okay, yeah, let me check that one too. Okay. Yeah, CT, good to see you. You make more videos about BNF. In terms of BNF, yes, I have some other information I want to share. So yes, I will create some videos in the future about BNF. But so far, I think I have been making like 3-4 videos about him. And a couple months ago, I shared the conversation between BNF and CIS. And I think that was also interesting to review. So if you haven't watched that yet, please do. I have a playlist of Japanese legendary trader playlist on my YouTube, so please check those videos as well. Yeah, like I have so many things I want to share still. So yeah, I have lots of projects and topics in mind to share. So yeah, I continue to share some other videos about the other Japanese famous traders and investors as well. So please look forward to it. Yes. I think Japanese investors' mindset is somewhat different from what you see in English, because these are all in Japanese, and unless you understand Japanese, you never understand these videos or what they say. And sometimes I see BNF's videos in English, but the information is a bit off, or the translation may be wrong. It happens in Ichimoku also, but as a Japanese myself, as a trader, I feel it's a mission to share some more Japanese information in terms of trading in English through YouTube. So yeah, I continue doing this. So hopefully you will enjoy continuously too. Okay, Euro USD bearish in a 4 hour. Okay, all right, let's check that one too. Okay, but before, let me just say hi to everyone. This is Friday, so just easy going. Okay, Trading Guru, hi Kay. Do you take trades if mid time frame has become flat, but the higher time frame is still bullish? I find that during this situation, it's very choppy. In that case, I don't enter trade. Yeah, so like I mentioned 2 days ago, so here is a PDF. So let me share screen. So this is the PDF I made, and this one is available for free for anyone. If you come to my website through the link on the below description, hover over on free download and click on the KTS trading strategy over here. Then you can access to this web page. Then click download to download this PDF over here. Wow, it's been more than like 23,000 downloads. I never realized it. But yeah, I created this PDF in 2020 and last update was this May. So I keep editing, keep revising my strategy. So this is the latest version of the PDF for free version. And you can also find videos of my strategy from concept of trend follow and overview of my strategy and how to identify a trending market, how to confirm a trending market, and entry strategy, which I also showed it to you 2 days ago by running the Forex Tester. So if you haven't watched that yet, please do. And I also explained exit strategy, head and the tail of the fish concept. So this is also, I took this concept from Japanese proverb. We say, forget about the tail and the head of the fish, but eat the only body part of the fish. And that's like that means like you never try to capture from the very bottom to enter and very top to exit because it's impossible. But instead, take the body part. Forget about the tail or the head of the fish because you can't eat that part. So only take the body part. So that's also incorporated into my strategy in exit strategy here. So I explained that too here in the video. And the stop loss and break even. So I move stop loss around and I set what I called break even line so that the game becomes either break even or win game. Before I move stop loss to break even, that will be either loss or win game. But after I say break even, the game becomes break even or win game, which anyone wants to play, right? If it's break even win game, and if you repeat that game over time, then you lose over time, right? So it's really like very important in terms of risk management part. So I took that idea also and explained that on this video, part 7. And then part 8, I also introduced entry and trading profits and exit with non-losing strategy. So this is also my strategy. This is also my concept that non-losing mindset is the key to success. When you start trading, when you start learning trading, then you may think of winning the trades, winning profits, and then you may realize importance of the risk management and psychology management. And then you get to the idea of non-losing mindset. If you don't lose big, then the losses can be covered by the future profits. So keep the losses small as much as possible. Losses do happen, and losses are the part of the process to win profits. But if you keep losing small, or if you try non-losing strategy, then you make profits. So this is like reverse psychology that I also incorporated into my strategy. So I explained that on part 8 video here. Then that's it. So yeah, if you haven't access to this web page, please do. First, download this PDF, and in this PDF, I explained this idea. So coming back to the question, if the mid time frame has become flat but higher time frame is still bullish, Kijun Sen, So that means if mid time frame become flat, either 1 hour flat or both, 1 hour and M30 flat, but then daily or 4 hour bullish, in that case, I do not enter trades. I never enter trade because the trend is not confirmed by the mid time frames. So this bullish trend may be fake. It's bullish trend as per Ichimoku, but if you look at the lower time frames, it may be retracing small. But if it keeps retracing, then eventually 4 hour becomes flat, then daily becomes flat, then retrace. Daily 4 hour may be bearish eventually. So if you see the sign of the retracement, then I do not enter trades. I don't buy in that case. And I can tell by this middle time frame confirmations. Okay, so that's my concept here. So yeah, actually you can review the videos on this web page and you will find out. So yeah. Okay, you're welcome, CT, learning trader strategy, etc. I really appreciate. I'm from Hong Kong. Okay, good to see you here. Oh, BNF is your idol. Okay, yeah. Let me prepare some new videos about him. Yeah. Okay, Y says I was busy yesterday, so I didn't get nice pips in Euro JPY. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Markets move in 24 hours every day, with or without you. So you can always capture the next opportunities. No FOMO. Okay, Reza says new lessons like advanced price action and Ichimoku new lessons based on original books only available in GTS KTS Academy. Yes, that's right. Yeah. I have been creating some risk management book also in that community, and I have lots of extra videos, more advanced and deeper explanation videos in GTS and KTS Academy communities. In this YouTube, this is more like a generalized. It's like the tip of the iceberg information, because I want to reply comments and I want to see charts, check charts, higher time frames, and the time runs out. So whenever I want to go deeper, I go deeper on these GTS and KTS Academy communities. Trading Guru says, does Ichimoku work for swing and positional trades with the KT strategy? The stop loss distance would be a lot in this case. How do you see this situation? Yeah, you can use my strategy on the swing and positional trades, simply moving the time frames higher without changing the strategy. You take the weekly to follow and entries on 1 hour, then it becomes a swing style. So you don't have to find some whole new strategy to swing trade in this way. Yeah, I think that's better than looking for some whole new strategy for swing. Simply move time frames higher and enter exit trades. Okay, Reza says, I also learned from you, just take the body part of the fish and forget tail and head. Yes, that's right. Yeah, I've said that a couple of times already before, so it's my concept of my strategy. Okay, Y says, what do you do when the market is near the couple of resistance or support? Just wait for the break of all resistance or support, or just trade? If I can find entry confirmations, then I enter trade before the breakout. But if not, I wait for the breakout, is my answer. So again, I take entries on the 5 or the 15-minute time frames. So even if the market is near resistance or support, if I can find confirmations, entry edge by indicators and lines and price action, etc., then I enter trade. If not, I wait for the breakout. Okay. CAD Swiss franc looking for a potential short setup soon. Okay, let me check that one too later. Okay, Raul says, hi Kay, what do you think about taxation countries or brokers? I think I will talk about that in other case. Today, let me just focus on other comments and also the markets. But yeah, here I'm in Dubai, and Dubai is tax-free, so I have less headache, that's for sure. All right, Giacomo, good to see you from Italy. Thank you for joining. Just joined your channel 2 weeks ago. I really like your content. Oh, thank you very much for the comment. I'm glad to hear that. Okay, Hakan says, when Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen cross up, price above the Kumo, should we wait Chikou span for break the Kumo? No, you don't have to. You don't have to. As long as Chikou span above the candles, that's fine. It doesn't have to break the Kumo. Too bullish. Okay, 5 Tracy says, I like Ichimoku, but manual trading is too difficult and frustrating. Why? Oh, that's because manual trading involves lots about emotion, for sure. Whenever you enter trades, exit trades, especially exit trades, you may have lots of emotion, and maybe that's why. So you have to practice first. You have to study the basics of Ichimoku and basics of the price action, lines, and the candlestick patterns, then practice. At least take 50 trades, and if your performance is good, I usually look at the profit factor, which is the risk and the reward ratio in terms of money. So if the profit factor is above 3 to 5, then I think you should be fine on the live trade. So yeah, I think you may feel it's too difficult because you haven't practiced enough yet, or you still have to learn the basics. That's usually the case among my students. Okay, so now let me check some charts. All right, so what were these? First, let me check the Euro or German 40 from Navarni's comment. It's trending, so let me check. Oh yeah, before that, quickly, there was a news today, non-farm payrolls, as you may know already. So here's a news website, and there was non-farm payrolls. It was positive. It was much more than previous and much more than consensus. So in this case, in theory, USD is bought. USD will be bought. So then I check chart. Let's say USDJPY is yeah, slightly bullish, but looks like the impact was not that much. And USDCAD is also very small. So looks like non-farm payrolls did not really impact the market. And USD Swiss franc, this one is bullish. So looks like it USD is at least bought. Euro USD is going down too. Yeah, so at least there's some impact among the markets. But yeah, let me check the German 40 first. And then I check the, I think it was Euro JPY. Right, Euro JPY and also CAD Swiss franc. Okay, so let me see, German 40. Oh yeah, it's bullish now. So this is a beautiful bullish trend. Daily chart shows the Kumo is bullish, Kijun Sen is up, green one Kijun Sen is up, Tenkan Sen is flat, but the price above the Tenkan Sen and Chikou span above the candles. So this is continuously bullish, and the market broke the previous resistance level of 16,528. And this is all-time high. Let me check. Right, this is now all-time high. This chart started in 2015. So since 2015, this market is now all-time high. Okay, so yeah, this is bullish. And in this case, the next targets are the round numbers, the psychological number or the exact numbers. So that will be, it's going to be, so now it broke 16700. So now it's going up to 16800. So that will be the potential target for now. Yeah, so let me just draw that line. And now also I look into the price actions and I can see that there was a doji yesterday, small doji yesterday, and then this whole thing is now inside bar, engulfing inside. So once it breaks, I'm sure it will reach 16800 and then it may go up to 17,000. Right, it could go up to 17,000, so I marked that level there too. So let's see how it plays out. Yeah, this market is really strong and stable, bullish. And this is not overbought as per Ichimoku because again, the Kumo is really thick and bigger. When Kumo is really thin, and it also when Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen too close, that's overbought. But this is not. So I think the market stably goes bullish today and also next week. Right, so that's completely bullish now. And oh yeah, and then let me check the Euro USD also. Euro USD Forex. Okay, so daily chart is now going down. Chikou span is touching. This is significant to me because when Chikou span touches and when the price breaks the Kijun-sen, that means this is now range. In terms of Ichimoku, it's range. And this part, called Kumo is now flat overall. So today is bearish, but we never know next week. Next week maybe trace or maybe choppy. So, and also the price is near the previous resistances on 1.0737. You see there are previous resistances here. So it may be supported and goes bullish in a very short term. So here I don't recommend you to trade in this case. And yeah, looks like there was no previous resistance supports. So yeah, I prefer to wait for the breakout and sell next week. And 4 hours bearish. Yeah, 4 hours going down, but yeah, I have to closely monitor and see if it breaks or not. If it does, then you can follow 4-hour downtrend. But yeah, just keep in mind of 1.0737 area. Always, check the bigger picture and draw the lines to make sure that the market is not near support or resistances. And also, let me check the other market, which was CAD Swiss franc. Okay, so this market is now range, completely range. Okay, Marboz said it's potential short setup. So that means, let me double check. Daily chart is now retracing. So to me, this is bullish than downtrend. So I would buy and target on the Kijun-sen daily chart. Because whenever Kijun-sen flat, that becomes a potential target. So 0.6503 is now the potential target. And before that, there was a previous resistance zone between this area. So yeah, this is now range. Today is bullish, but then yeah, the market may be resisted by the previous support level, previous resistance, and then it may go down. That's also the possible scenario. So in this case, I wait for the Kijun Sen to be down, which happens on Monday. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Kijun Sen continues bearish. So you can come back this chart next Monday and look for a potential selling opportunity and can hold until Wednesday, but not today. You cannot sell today because it may break the resistance zone and reach Kijun Sen within today. So yeah, that's my analysis. Let me check the 4 hour. 4 hour is now completely range, and Kijun Sen is now becoming the mid price. Yeah, the green Kijun Sen is now becoming the mid price. So yeah, if you want to trade contrarian, then the market reaches near the resistance zone, then take until sell, then retrace. Yeah, that's possible scenario. But yeah, I prefer to wait for Monday because of the daily situation. If Kijun Sen points bearish, and also Kumo will point bearish too, and then I think that will be better to sell on next Monday. Okay, so let me check some other JPY pairs next. So yeah, Euro JPY, it went down very sharply yesterday. Alone, it was 500 pips down. It's so big trend. So then, now it's retracing. Yeah, if you look at the Kumo, Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen together yesterday, so this was oversold. Usually when you see this, next day it retraces or consolidates. You can actually see many examples like this in history. So you can look back and find these patterns. And Pound JPY also went down so sharply yesterday. And right, this one also went down like 600 pips. And now it's retracing, consolidating. And to me, this is not bearish. Because Kumo is still flat, Kijun Sen flat. Yeah, there was a double top neckline breakout. Sorry. There was a double top neckline breakout. So this is bearish in the long term, but in the short to mid term, it's range. So I think the market consolidates from here, a couple of candles or days or weeks, and then it can go down eventually. But I don't think the market goes down next week. But I will give you more analysis on Sunday's weekly forecast. So yeah, just my idea. And USJPY went down also very sharply. USJPY, I think so far is the strongest downtrend than other JPY pairs, than Pound JPY and Euro JPY. And as it consolidates, Kumo gets thicker and bigger. So USJPY may become a good market to sell now. So after reaching 150 area, the market is down and sold, and now it's coming all the way down 154. Wow, it was such a big move. Such a big move. It broke the Kumo, and then, yeah, yesterday was so much downtrend. And AUDJPY was also bearish, but as compared to USJPY, AUDJPY is less weaker. So yeah, this one I think consolidates next week. And then CADJPY is bearish. CADJPY and USJPY are both bearish to me than other JPY pairs. So I will just draw the horizontal line 107.25. It may touch next week and then retrace and go down. And Kumo's too thin still. Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen very close together. So I think the market consolidates for a while, then find the new direction. And finally, Swiss franc JPY is now bearish, but this is still weak downtrend. So I would say USD JPY looks very good. I think this continues bearish more than other JPY pairs and also CAD JPY. Yeah, I think these two JPY pairs are good in my eyes based on Ichimoku analysis. Yeah, and then also, let's see. So Euro USD is down, but this is near the previous resistances, so just watch out. And yeah, oh yeah, and also let me check gold. Gold was bullish a couple of days ago and then retraced very heavy. You know, I think I mentioned this one also where Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen were too close. That's why I said it's overbought. And then it was heavily resisted and now it's going bearish. So daily chart is now still, you know, Kijun-sen is flat. Chikou span is almost touching. So this is range to me. There's no direction. But then the market is near the previous resistance, 2007.83. So it may be supported and goes bullish, or once it breaks, it goes bearish and reach down Kumo. And I think 4 hour is bearish. Right, 4 hour chart is now bearish. So if it closes below 2007.83 like this, then it may continue bearish in this case. Yeah. Okay, Y says, how can we know we have to wait for the candle close in higher time frame resistance? How can we know? If you see the resistance level in that time frame, then you have to wait for the breakout. You have to wait for the candle close in higher time frames. But when you draw the resistance support in the lower time frames like M5 or M15, 15-minute time frame, then you better wait for the 15-minute time frame to close and breakout. So it depends on which time frame you're looking at, the resistance and the support. In this case, I see the 4-hour resistance here. So that's why I wait for the 4-hour candlestick breaks, closes below, and then look for the selling opportunity after that. Now Kumo's looking good. Senko span A is down, Senko span B is also down. Kijun-sen down, Chikou span below the candles. And the whole structure is not the head and the shoulders, but yeah, this is more like a reversed in wave. Reversed in the wave. So I think the market goes bearish continuously next week. So yeah, I think I look for selling opportunity on gold next week. Not buy anymore. Yeah, I was gonna buy, but yeah, because of this big spike and then retracing now, no trade. No trade for myself. Okay, Mario says, hi Kay, would you short pound USD on the 240 chart considering the daily situation? Let me check the pound USD first, daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame is now bullish in terms of Ichimoku. Kijun-sen is up, Senko span A is bullish, and Chikou span is now coming closer to the candles, and today's a bearish bar. So in terms of Ichimoku, it's bullish. The market may be supported on over here 1.2505, then it may go bullish still this way. That's my view on the daily time frame. With that in mind, if I check the 4 hour, then it's bearish. Right, Kumo's down, Kijun-sen down, Tenkan-sen down, Chikou span below candles. So yeah, in this case, I can follow downtrend sell in 4 hour because 4 hour is now showing double top neckline breakout, and then this was also like descending P wave breakout. Then the previous support became resistances, and now it's going bearish. So I can see sellers are dominant over in a 4-hour time frame to follow. So yeah, I follow 4-hour downtrend. Then eventually the market touches the daily Kijun Sen, and then I think the market continues bearish this way. So yeah, in this case, I follow the 4-hour downtrend. But again, there is a previous resistance level, 1.2505. So it may be safer to wait for the breakout of that level and sell for now. Yeah, the market may consolidate. Then it may retrace this way in a short term. You can also draw the descending trend line like this way and see if the market will be resisted by that line. I think I will draw the line like this way because I can see more wicks connecting. So yeah, overall, I think this is more like a downtrend to me. It may be resisted by the yellow descending trend line, then goes bearish too. So let's see. To me, it's bearish. Yeah, it's bearish. Let me check 1 hour. 1 hour is now bearish too, but as you can see, the Kumo is too thin, and Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen too close together, so this is oversold. It's oversold in 1 hour. That means I think the market retraces. It may retrace to the previous support level in 1 hour, which is 1.2544. It may retrace there, then goes bearish this way. That's also possible scenario. Or goes up to the descending trend line, then retrace, then go down this way. Or it may consolidate. You may see inside bar, then goes bearish. So I think either one of these scenarios will be possible to happen. But anyways, this is bearish overall. So yeah, I don't jump in right now because of it's oversold in 1 hour, but in the long term, it's bearish to me. So yeah, let's see. So that's pound USD. Okay, hello Marbozu. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, Alexander, thanks for joining. Good to see you. Okay, yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome, Marius, also. So yeah, this is Friday, so I think I will stop the live stream or take it easy now, relax, I guess. Yeah, I think the markets are now still choppy. So today I have no trades, but looks like markets are active now in the month of December finally, and hopefully we have more stable trends like yesterday's JPY pairs. So yeah, if you don't find any opportunities, then stay away. Staying away is also part of the process as a successful trader. You can't look for opportunities every day, every hour. You won't be able to find. So never force yourself to trade. Sometimes it's just better to stay away and come back a few hours later and see if you can find opportunities. If not, then do not enter trades again for the next couple of hours. So patience is a key to success, and you really have to know what you're doing in trading. And also, I think you're able to explain what you're doing to others. Then that means you are really mastered your strategy. Sometimes I say to students, like, if you have like a little child, like 7, 8 years, teach him or her about Ichimoku or about what you're doing in the market. And if he or she understands, that means you master the strategy. So you have to be able to explain to kids what you're doing. So that means you may know a lot, but you have to simplify the way you say, the way you talk, the way you think, then that means you master the strategy. I think that's really important. Yeah. Hello, Dan. Good to see you. Okay. Giacomo says, I started trading 3 months ago after years of study. I understand that the market is stronger than me now. Do you have any suggestions? Yeah, if the market is stronger now, so you can, this is where you can find opportunities, right? When the market is now trending, that's when you get to work. When the market's quiet, then there's nothing you can do. Just stay away. Yeah, Marbosa says, take a Porsche for a night drive, K. Oh yeah, tonight. I actually came back from Abu Dhabi today. It was like a 1.5 hour drive already. So yeah, maybe not. Friday night, sometimes people drive crazy, so I don't want to. I prefer to drive on Sunday night or Monday night. It's more calm and I feel better. Yeah, but if I feel like to, I will tonight. Yes. Yeah. Y says, don't you feel any emotion about missing pips for candlestick close in higher time frames? No, I don't. I don't, because it's better to wait than jumping in the market. So because I think about the other side of the story. Yes, if I wait for the breakout, then I may miss out the breakout pips, right? But on the other side, if the market doesn't close, you know, if I don't wait for the close, then the market may retrace, then I may lose bigger. So that's why I prefer to wait, and I never think those missing pips. Only few pips anyways. I'm not missing like 100 pips or so. I'm only missing few pips, so that's totally fine. Yes. Why? You're welcome. Possible crypto glance. Yeah, let's check Bitcoin. I know some of you trade cryptos, Bitcoin. I don't. I never trade cryptos. But here is my view. So BTC USD is now, hold on, daily chart is now consolidating. Now Kijun Sen flat, Kumo flat. Kijun Sen is now flat, the green Kijun Sen flat. Tenkan Sen blue is also flat. Kumo is flat. So, and now I see inside bar. So I think the market just goes up and down within the inside. So I think the next opportunity will be at the breakout, or on tomorrow, the day after, Sunday and Monday, Kijun Sen Kumo will be bullish. So then you may see the breakout. So at least today, tomorrow, I think the market continues range. So you can come back Sunday and enter trade. Then you may be able to capture some nice pips when it breaks. And if I just zoom out all the way, then the previous resistance level was up here on 48,273. Yeah, so that's the next target. So once it breaks this inside, then it may go up to that level. So we will see. So that's my view. If it breaks, if the market breaks inside but bearish, then it goes down to Kijun Sen. Now it's range. So, and when Kijun Sen Kumo is flat, that means buyers and sellers are 50-50 level. You know, Ichimoku is all about equilibrium. So when equilibrium is flat, that means it's 50-50 chance whether it breaks bullish or bearish. And you don't want to take 50-50 chance because it will be gambling. So that's why when I see its range, I never enter trades. I may lose, I may win. We never know. So it's better to have a higher win rate when Kumo Kijun Sen start to be bullish on Sunday, Monday. Then it may potentially breaks bullish. That's the breakout logic behind. Okay, yeah. All right, William, good to see you. And Dan, you're welcome. Right. Okay, Gabriel says, hi Kay, you previously mentioned that you once got scammed by not being able to withdraw money from your trading account. How can we prevent this from happening? You have to find a good broker for sure. Yeah, it happened like a long ago. But yeah, in terms of the broker, sometimes, you know, bank may stop withdrawing, or bank may question some, questions to you. And yeah, it happens sometimes, I think. So, but if you find a good broker, then it should be fine. But in terms of the brokers, it's all different among the regions and countries. So I usually don't want to make any comments because even if I suggest my broker to you, it may not be good for you or for your region. So I'm not sure, actually. Yeah. Okay, so I think I'll finish the live for now. And yeah, after this, there will be KTS Academy and GTS members live stream. And today, I think I will run the Forex Tester and show more examples of the entries and exits and also my mindset. Or I may be reviewing some questions in the community and answer these questions to you. But either way, it happens in about 7 minutes. So for those who are members, I will see you soon. And to those who join here public, YouTube, I will see you in the next one. So either way, until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Right, bye for now. Mata ne, thank you very much.